How to recover Facebook page ownership. Hey there everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To recover the Facebook page ownership, you need to tap open in a preferred browser. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Facebook Help and tap on Help Center. This will redirect you to a layout of Facebook Help Center. Click on the option of Privacy and Security. At the top, navigate to the search icon. In the search bar, you need to search for the keywords such as page hacked or hacked page. Here you'll find various of articles that might be related with the issue. You can click on the first option, that is, I think my Facebook page was hacked or taken over by someone else. Now in here, scroll down until you see this button called File or Report. This is if you're still having issue accessing your page. You can click on this File or Report highlighted button. After which, you can actually go ahead and enter your page name in the given form and tap on the Send button. After which, Facebook will help to try and recover your Facebook page for you. So this is all to how to recover Facebook page ownership. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you.